not a game, it's a rich thing.
Mascarpone also enhances your whipped cream to be more down, not to be watery or to melt. And also, instead of mascarpone, you can use cream cheese. So it's up to you, or you can choose to omit the mascarpone, it's optional. And then I'm going to add in my icing sugar, 80 grams. So icing sugar here is used to add in sweetness to your whipped cream frosting. And also, when icing sugar is made, they add in cornstarch or corn flour. So the corn flour or the cornstarch with the icing sugar stabilizes your whipped cream. So it's also essential when you are baking. So I'll add in 80 grams. And for the icing sugar, it depends on how sweet you want it, or if you don't like it too sweet, then reduce the amount of icing sugar. And then my vanilla essence here, I will add in 1 tablespoon because I'm making a vanilla cake. You can add any other essence you like, banana essence, pineapple essence, any other flavorings that you like, you can also add here. So 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence. So you're just going to start on low speed first of all. Be patient with this. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes to get a good quality frosting. So you need to start on low speed and then increase slowly. So start on low. so it's ready. Also, don't overwhip your whipping cream, and sometimes you will find that you have overwhipped it and it separates. It forms something like water. It looks like curdled milk when you overwhip your whipping cream. So when you find you've done this, add more whipping cream. Add more whipping cream and let it chill a bit, and then whisk again. It will come back to this texture. So this is our whipping cream. It's the right texture, and that is how you make whipping cream. Our final look for our whipped cream frosting. So yummy, not too sugary. Do give it a try and use it for your cakes, to make your cakes and any other pastries that you like. Enjoy!